In this video, we're going to do a Nintendo Switch 2 Pro Controller unboxing. So guys, this is the box of the Nintendo Switch 2 Pro Controller. And we're going to open it. So yes, this is actually the first time, guys. I have the Nintendo Switch 2, but this is the first time I have a controller. So this is in it. You have the manual. Then it comes with a cable. And as we can see, the cable is like it's USB to USB-C, I guess. Then and right here, guys, we have the Nintendo Switch 2 Pro controller. So I'm gonna take it, and it's packed like this. So here's the controller. It feels like really good. It feels like yeah, it feels like a really good controller, guys. Good quality. And yeah, this is it. And that was the Nintendo Switch 2 Pro controller unboxing.